What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the unable to check for update error you are getting on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Encountering the unable to check for update error can be frustrating when trying to update your iPhone. This error prevents your device from searching for and installing the latest iOS updates. To fix it, navigate to your iPhone settings. Tap on General and then scroll down to find VPN and Device Management. In this section, check if you've installed any beta profiles. Beta profiles are often used to test early versions of iOS, but they can sometimes interfere with the detection of official updates. If you find a beta profile installed, remove it. Enter your iPhone's passcode if prompted. Next, go back to the main settings menu and select General again, but this time tap on iPhone Storage. It's crucial to ensure no iOS updates are currently downloading or stuck in a pending state. If you find an update in progress, you have the option to delete it. You will usually locate it at the very end of the storage list. This step ensures that there is no conflict with the update process. After ensuring that there is no ongoing updates, head back to the General tab and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, you'll select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This action will require your passcode and will reset all network settings back to the defaults, including Wi-Fi networks, passwords, and cellular settings. This step is crucial as it helps eliminate any network-related issues that might prevent your iPhone from checking for updates. Following the network reset, reconnect your Wi-Fi network. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, forget the network you're trying to connect to, and then rejoin it. This ensures your connection is fresh and free from any previous glitches. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong, as a poor connection can often cause update errors. Finally, return to the General menu and tap on Software Update. With the previous steps completed, your iPhone should now be able to check for and display any available updates without encountering the unable to check for update error. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.